Good morning students. Today first I will give you solution which is based on previous video. Exercise 1. Given below is a conversation between a waiter and the customer at a restaurant. Imagine that you are the customer. Now fill in the blanks with the statements that you like to make while talking to the waiter. First, waiter, are you ready to place your order, ma'am or sir? Customer, yes. For starters, I would like to have chili potatoes. Waiter, how many? Customer, just one place will do. Waiter, okay. Customer, for main course, I will have one vegetable fried rice, one chicken Manchurian with gravy. Waiter, okay, anything else, ma'am or sir? Customer, yes, I would like to order a chocolate ice cream. Waiter, okay. One chili potatoes, one vegetable fried rice, one chicken Manchurian with gravy, and one chocolate ice cream. Is that correct, ma'am? Customer, yes. Waiter, can I get you anything else? Customer, could you get me a bottle of mineral? Waiter, sure, ma'am or sir. Customer, thank you. That will be all. First you have to read all the sentences very carefully. Then you will select correct article. Then you will write. If there will not be use any article, what will you do? You will write no article needed. Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you making resolutions in functional English. Here you can see different types of sentences number 11 to 17 which are based on your previous video. Now we will discuss about resolutions. What is resolution? Resolution, it can be defined as the promises which an individual makes to himself or herself or to a known authority to which the individual wants to show his or her loyalty, dedication, and integrity. Resolutions can be made for day to day activities which an individual perform and can be held accountable for. Examples: I will never lose my temper again. Next example, I will try to study hard this year and get a first division. I will talk less on my mobile. I will not carry forward any regrets. I will keep my room neat and clean. I will accept the terms and conditions. He will not let you join, but we will argue in your favor. Now compare the above sentences with the following. I try to learn English well. I try to see fewer movies. I learn 3 new words every day. I exercise every morning for 1 hour. I take care of the dogs in my colony. I do not carry any regrets. I keep my room neat and clean. So do you see the difference between the two sets A and B? The first set of sentences is in simple future tense. The second set denotes a fact or a habit and are all in the simple present tense. Exercise. Read the following sentences. These are incomplete sentences. Try to fill them with what you wish to do in your life. I promise to. I promise I will. I resolve never to. I resolve to. I will try to. I will try my best. I am never going to. Assessment. From the following options, select and tick the one that is in the simple future tense. I did not smoke. Okay. So you have to select correct one. I will not smoke. I will not smoking. I will not smoked. Second question, I exercise every day to stay fit and healthy. Options, I will exercise every day to stay fit and healthy. I will exercising every day to stay fit and healthy. I will exercise every day to stay fit and healthy. I opened a small flower shop in the market. Options. I will open a small flower shop in the market. I will open a small flower shop in the market. I will opening a small flower shop in the market. 4. The president and his wife raised funds for charity. Options. The president and his wife will raising funds for charity. The president and his wife will raise fund for charity. The president and his wife will raise fund for charity. Question number 5. Question number 5. I stuck to my resolution. I will sticking to my resolution. I will stick to my resolution. I will stuck to my resolution. Question number 6. I changed most of the furniture in my house before Diwali. I will change most of the furniture in my house before Diwali. I will changing most of the furniture in my house before Diwali. I will change most of the furniture in my house before Diwali. 7 question. I started going for driving classes on Tuesday. Options. I will started going for driving classes on Tuesday. I will starting going for driving classes on Tuesdays. I will start going Tuesday. Next, Team India won every match against Australia in the World Cup. Options. Team India will won every match against Australia in the World Cup. Team India will every match against Australia in the World Cup. Team India will winning every match against Australia in the World Cup. 9 question. I spoke in English with my friends. I will speak. Options are I will speak in English with my friends. I will speaking in English with my friends. I will speak in English with my friends. Question number 10. I wore the seat belt while driving. Options: I will wore the seat belt while driving. I will wearing the seat belt while driving. I will wear the seat belt while driving. So student, you can see there are different exercises. You will practice it very carefully. Thank you.